How's it going, everybody? My name is Jay. I'm going to do another monthly update for you guys. This is for the month of August of 2020. August has been my best month so far in sales since I've done my YouTube channel, so I'm happy to share that with you guys. I've sold 8 items just like I did in July, but this time I sold them for a higher average price, so I made more money. So I'm going to get right into it, let you know what I've sold, how much they sold for. First off, I sold an Audi Q7 wheel for $350 plus $50 shipping. Mercedes CLS 550 air strut for $575 plus $20 shipping. A Honda CRV LED headlight for $300 plus $25 shipping. Volkswagen Jetta taillight $75 plus $10 shipping. BMW X5 grill $40 plus $5 shipping. Volkswagen Jetta taillight $50 plus $10 shipping. Audi Q7 LED headlight $700 plus $25 shipping. Mini Cooper rear tailgate spoiler $100 plus $20 shipping. The 8 items total $2,190. There was $165 paid by the customers for shipping, which equals $2,355. It actually came out even, and I paid $165 in shipping costs. So that brings us back down to $2,190. You have to minus the fees, so 13% is $262. So that leaves us with $1,928 of profit. So I just barely got under $2,000, which if you've been following along, it is the highest price that I've got so far since I've been doing the channel. It's always nice to see making more money. For the 8 items, that comes out to $241 average, which is a lot higher than I usually do. I've always said I like to stick around 100, but I usually do a little bit higher, maybe $150, $160. But having it above $200, almost $250 for an average price means that I've been selling a lot of high priced items since there was only 8 in the month. As I say all the time, I didn't do anything different this time. It was probably 3-4 hours worth of work to do all this. So it's not like I spent a lot more time to make that money. I spent the same amount of time and I'm making more money. So you can see what I'm selling. So if you're looking on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace and you can buy some of these items cheap, then you'll be able to make the same profit that I'm making. Please hit the like button so I can keep putting these videos out for you guys. I need to know if you guys like this sort of video where I tell you guys what I'm making and what I'm selling. So if you do, hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'm going to keep going with this. So I appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time.